Monile Mosa, Tampokelirani. So in this video, we are looking at love and things related to love. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. Okay, so love ni Chitumbuka Chintemwa. So if you say Chintemwa chane, means my love. We can also use this one, Chikondi, love Chikondi, but in Chikondi is more of Chichewa, so it's like a borrowed word. But in Chitumbuka, it's Chintema or Chitemwa, just T-E, Chitemwa. Chitemwa chane, Chintemwa chane, Chitemwa, yeah, as in here. Ntiti. Some people call Ntiti. Ntiti means rib, because from the Bible, the rib was used, so it's also used to mean love. The rib was used to create a woman from Bible teachings. So ntiti, love means love. My love, ntitiane, chitemwa chane, my love. But there's also this way some people say manyuchi, sugar, but it's not the usual way. It's like street kind of language. So I wouldn't recommend using those, but chitemwa chane, my love. Wife, if you're married, then you say Vaurivane, this is my wife, Vaurivane. Or mwanakazi wane. Mwanakazi means a woman. Wane is mine. So mwanakazi wane means my wife. Husband, vafumu wane. Or mwanarumi wane. Mwanarumi means a man. So mwanarumi wane means vafumu wane. Girlfriend, chibwezi. Chibwezi chane, my girlfriend. Chane, my. Wane, my. Okay. So you can say chibwezi chane chanakazi. Chanakazi means a girl, a woman, a female, something like that. So chanakazi, my girlfriend. Chibwezi chane chanakazi. Chibwezi chane chanarumi, my boyfriend. Chibwezi chane chanarumi. So someone can ask you, is this your girlfriend? Chibwezi chino. Is this your boyfriend? Or is this your girlfriend? So chibwenzi is just the relationship. So can be chibwezi chanakazi or chibwezi chanarumi. Yeah. Boyfriend, chibwezi chane chanarumi. Girlfriend, chibwezi chane chanakazi. Okay, bedroom. As in what happens in the bedroom, because the topic is love here. So in my language, instead of being explicit about what happens in the bedroom, we would say vya kuchipinda. Vya kuchipinda just means what happens in the bedroom. Vya kuchipinda woyo, meaning you don't talk about what happens in the bedroom. But sometimes people will say ukhala maro yamoza, meaning have you been in one place together? So if, for example, a girl is pregnant and the man is there, so they are asking, Have you two stayed or lived or been in one place together? Which just means, did you do anything concerning the bedroom? If you know, you know, okay? So, kukhala malo ya moza, someone will ask, mukakhala malo ga moza, meaning, did you two at some point stayed in the same, or you found yourself together, something like that? Did you stay together? Did you meet? Did you? So it's not, because these bedroom stuff, they come with some form of respect. So we don't really, when you're discussing it, don't really explicitly mention the word, for example, sex, as in if we're speaking in my language. So this is why there's the language around it. Okay? Kukhalira malo amodzi, kukhala malo gamoza, which just means, did you guys been in one place together? Meaning, have you had bedroom? Okay, much of that. Marriage, kutoleka, ntengwa. Notice the spelling, ntengwa. If you don't know how these come about, there is a video where we looked at the 4 or 3 consonants and all of that, and sounds. So ntengwa means marriage, oro kutoleka, oro kutorana. So it depends on whether you're talking in first person or second person. Kutorana is in the first person, so where you're saying tatorana, meaning we are married to each other. Tatorana, you're married to each other. Kutoreka means she's married. Watoreka. Vatorana, meaning third person. You're talking about the third person, in third person. Vatorana, they are married. Okay, Chinkhoswe, engagement means, we can call it Chinkhoswe, but Chinkhoswe is also not Chitumbuka. In Chitumbuka, probably we'll put an I at the end, Chinkhoswe. But mainly what we use is fikira, bafikira, batumatenga. So kufikira means they've started the process. So you know, this man's family have signaled, they've officially asked for this girl, because engagement for us is done in so many different ways. Maybe we'll touch on it when I will make a video about marriages, as in, you know, the process of it. Okay, wedding, we call it Zawara, or ukwati, white wedding, ukwati, utua. Utua means white. Ukwati means wedding. So ukwati, utua, white wedding. Okay, we don't say utua, ukwati. Ukwati, utua. Here it's going opposite way. White wedding, ukwati, utua. Okay. So after bedroom stuff, then comes pregnancy. So pregnancy in Chitumbuka, we call it ntumbu, just means pregnancy. Muntu murwali, meaning she's an expectant woman. So murwali means sick, someone who is sick, who is unwell. Because the pregnancy is associated with, it's like someone who is not well become vulnerable, someone who's sick. So muntu mulwali, you know that, okay, it means they're saying she's pregnant. Wanamkhuzi, meaning she's pregnant again. So you can talk about mukhuzi, you can say ntumbu. Wanantumbu, meaning she's pregnant. Wanamkhuzi, meaning she's pregnant. Ni muntu mulwali, meaning she's pregnant, okay? Okay, so she's pregnant, wanantumbu, or watora ntumbu. Watora, kutora means, like here we talked about kutorana, kutora, kutoreka, you know, kutora means pick. So it depends on the context. Vatorana, you are talking about marriage. They are married to each other. Watora ntumbu, she has been made pregnant. Watora ntumbu, meaning she's pregnant. Vamumpa ntumbu, she has been made pregnant. She's been given pregnancy. Vamumpa. Kumupa means given. Giving birth, we could say mwana wawa, mwana wawaku, mwana wapokwa, mwana wababika, or in short, kupokerera. Tapokerera babonda. If you watched another video where I talk about family, I talk about a newborn and all of that, which we call bonda. So pokerera means, oh, tapokerera. Wawaku, wawaku, wapokwa, meaning she has delivered. Or mwana wapokwa, mwana, the child, mwana is a child. The child has been born. Or wababika, meaning has been born. Upokerera means we have received. It's like a gift. Tapokerera, we've received. We are born. So sometimes people do get separated. That's ntengwa. This is NGWA. Ntengwa Yamara. It's finished. The marriage has ended. They are separated. Marriage is ntengwa. Yamara is finished. Ntengwa Yamara. They are separated. The marriage is finished. Okay. So this is it about love. Let me stop share. Okay. So if you learned something in this video, please give it a thumbs up, but also subscribe to my channel so that we can grow this channel together and that YouTube can recommend to other people as well. So that we can all learn Chitumbuka. Taonga, yewo, yewo, naluta, bye, bye.